What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin Renegades, and I'm loving this OBS now that I figured it out. And I'm loving being able to go live. So I think, I don't know, we're doing it at least Monday, Wednesday, and Friday nights. I still like creating videos and doing it that way. But this is fun going live because I get to do this and talk to you guys, and especially with Bitcoin kind of dipping right now, this is kind of a cool off period, and I think a lot of you can get scared at times like this. So what I'm going to do on this video right now today is talk about Bitcoin, talk about it's okay that these cool off periods happen. That shows it's a healthy bull cycle, and where I see Bitcoin going not only today, but in the coming, next few days. We're also going to be talking a little bit about Ethereum and possibly XRP and where I see them going. And we're also going to talk about the community, and we'll show you exactly what I wrote. We're also talking about countries adopting Bitcoin. That's going to be a huge focus of topic, and what this outcome will have on the effect on the price of Bitcoin moving forward. I thought that was really interesting. I'm glad that I was able to get that out there. Before we get started, I want to show you what's going on over here, right? Well, I wanted to not only show you something, but I also needed to get the thumbnail for this video put on there, because I could have done it on the computer, but then I would have had to send it in an email, and it would have just been a big old hassle to do that. So just bear with me one moment while I do this. It should be under the live videos right now. Okay, it's not right there, so let's go to dashboard. It should be, yep, right here. And now I just need to change the thumbnail, because I made a cool thumbnail for this one. I think it's pretty cool because it has basically like the worldwide adoption of Bitcoin, and then I'm in front of it, like leading the way. I just think it's pretty cool. Here, I'll actually show you the thumbnail real quick, and you can probably see it on the video here in a second. So I thought that was pretty cool. The look I have on my face, what is that? Oh, that's kind of funny. I didn't realize how funny that look was, but how are you guys doing tonight? I'm glad you could be here. Crypto is again in a bull market. We are making money. We're, making trades. Not every single trade is going to be, profitable, but most of them are. And the only one that I've done bad on lately is Pup Doge. But guess what? I'm going to hold it. I'm going down with the ship on that one, because we've already, seen the bottom, I think, for Pup Doge. So we'll see. It can only go up from here, or it will just completely dump and be worth absolutely nothing. So we'll have to figure that out coming into the future, guys. So, yeah. It's almost 8 o'clock. We went live a little bit earlier than what we normally do. We normally do it at exactly 8 o'clock. I didn't advertise, but guys, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I will be going live. If you hit that notification bell, then you will automatically see us going live. Here, let's go over to the Bitcoin chart. That way if people come over here, that's what they will see us doing. I really wish it showed my face over here when we're talking. You know what I mean? Because then you could always be over here. Or if I had the chat, I could see what was going on, and then also do this at the same time. So that should be already shared over there. Let's see if it worked. Yeah, so we're live now. 0 viewers, guys. Hopefully if some people come on, then more people will. I don't know exactly what's going on with that, but so Bitcoin price, look where we're at. We're at 44,634. And I know it's not as fun as when the price is blasting off to all-time highs, but it is still climbing. Look at that. We are definitely in this rising wedge right here. And so, this could be a bad signal, that we're going to have to go, retest. But look, we've already retested. So unless this breaks out of this rising wedge on the daily, I don't think we have a whole lot to worry about for the immediate short term right now. We are below the 200-day moving average, though, and that is something that's a little bit troublesome to me. That now that we were not able to break the $48,000 barrier, that it just dropped down, and now that we are down here, we're under this. So if we close this week, we need to be above this 200-day moving average at 45,634. So we have the rest of the week to get above and stay above that point in order to keep the bull market keep on going, keeping it healthy. It could still recover if that doesn't happen, but it's going to be a lot harder, and we could see further retest to 40,000 if that happens. So those are the things you got to keep in mind. Is the bull market over now? Did we just have this big old giant bear paw, which is like a huge $65,000 new all-time high, and then go up to about 48,000, and then just say that's it, we're done now? That's not how bull markets or bear markets happen. You don't go from a peak to a valley to a peak, to an even lower valley than over here. That's not going to happen. That's not how, the way the Bitcoin works. It will go to a new all-time high from here, or close. Well, when I say close, I mean within the next, couple months. By December, it will, I believe, be above these prices. We'll have new all-time highs. We're going to have so much momentum, and I'm working on which altcoins that I am going to purchase the next dip, because once Bitcoin pumps to a new all-time high, all of the altcoins, or most of them, the majority of altcoins, good projects out there, not financial advice, but they're all going to pump. They're going to pump high, and they're going to pump hard. So, yeah, I'm going to definitely take advantage of that. Like what happened last time. Look at all the altcoins that went crazy high to new all-time highs. And so I'm going to be prepared. I'm going to have the top, my probably top 5 at least altcoins that I buy in, maybe top 10. And it's not going to be a lot of meme coins, guys. It's probably going to be some really, well, you could probably guess at least 5 of them if you watch the channel. I'm into OXT, Algorand, the Graph, let's see, Anchor, AMP, Clover. Clover blasted off. I mean, I told you guys about these coins, and then they blast off. And I tell you about the coins, and then they blast off. And a lot of it is just knowing the average price of the coin. And when it dips, just buy the dips, dollar cost average in. With altcoins, the bigger ones, yeah, you do want to all dollar cost average in. But some of the ones you want to just make a quick profit off of, you can just do what I do, not financial advice, but what I do is I just, buy it at the dip and then sell it at the peak and then call it a day. That is capital gains, and crypto is going to be regulated more and more. But for right now, I've read a lot about it, and it says, now this is not financial advice, and don't take this to heart when you're filing your taxes and believe this is true, but I read that you only have to put yes on the IRS form if you have traded in crypto, if you have traded a US dollar-backed stable coin, because that's what the banks interact with, right? Like USDT and USDC now. which I guess isn't even backed by the US dollar anymore, or completely. It is backed by it, but only like 50% or 60% or something. The rest are commodities or whatever. But you have that, right? There's not a lot of people here right now. What's up, everybody? Glad to have you here tonight. I kind of get sidetracked sometimes, if you noticed, but we're glad to have you here. Tonight we're talking about Bitcoin. It's at 44,000. Where is it going to go from here? And what we're telling you is, if it does not break above this line by Sunday at about 5 o'clock, then we could be in some trouble, and we could go back down to the $40,000 levels. And then we will definitely be in a bit of a retracement from there. But I honestly don't see that happening, guys. So don't be scared. This is more than me just saying, hey, what's going to happen with Bitcoin? This is me giving you like a back rub. This is my version of giving you like a calm down, pat on the back rub, like, what, you know, it's attaboy, like, it's okay, I'm here with you, you know, it's gonna be okay, we're gonna, you know, that attaboy kind of thing. Attaboy, we got this, you know, it's time to come together and show our guns, because we're blazing from here, you know. And that's why we're all going to come together. We're going to overcome the 200-day moving average like we have before, but this next time, we're going to blast off over here. This is like a, you know, a rocket needs a chute, right? It looks like a rocket. Let's just make this a rocket real quick. See, that's what this is, guys. This is a rocket. Okay? This is our rocket ship. And that does not look like a rocket. So that's our makeshift rocket, though. That is. Look. There we go. That does not look good. Okay. That's our rocket. Blast off. Here. Let's make it better. Yeah. It's a rocket now. That just looks bad. We're gonna erase all of that. That's just horrible. It was supposed to look like a rocket, and then it just got worse and worse and worse and worse. That was horrible. Well, it looks like a rocket. Now, if it went to a point and I knew how to draw, then we could have made it into a rocket. But Bitcoin is blasting off to the atmosphere. Look at, we don't have a whole lot of volume to confirm like a breakdown or anything. We're definitely cooled off. We're at 57 on the RSI, everybody. We got nothing to worry about. Everything's cool. It's like, just imagine you're sipping like a Mai Tai in Maui, just kicking back with the homies. You know, you got your girl on your side. Everything's good. You know, your pockets are full. You know, your stomachs are full. Your heart is full. Everything's good to go. So that's what you just got to realize, that these dips are healthy. They're part of the protocol. They're part of Bitcoin. Even look up here at the top. When we're at our highest point ever, we would go down and then come back up and then break down. See, look at some of these were really big. We had like 10, 15, 20. I think we had like even a 30% dip. But I think that was like this one before, you know, the last little pump. But yeah, we went all the way down to like 50, 40, yeah, 50. We didn't even go to 40 there. Oh, we did. Low 47, my bad. Look at that. That was a big wick. 50 to 47. And then back up to what, 57 right here? 58? 59? So we almost went back to 60,000 at one point. Right here, look. So This was Elon Musk. We were supposed to finish the bull market here. You know that, right, guys and gals? We were supposed to finish it right here. This was not supposed to be the end. This was going to be a little dip, because this would have been like this thing right here. We probably would have had another one of these in us. Instead, we reset. And that is setting us up for an all-time high blast off. Oh, here's the pattern. Yeah, way up here. I don't think it's going to be this high, but it might even go higher than I had previously predicted because of the reset that we had and the cool-off period that we had for months. And that is beautiful. That's like when you take a vacation and you come back to work refreshed. That's what Bitcoin just did. It took a vacation and now it's back to work. Back to work, Bitcoin. Let's go. We're doing this. We're doing big things, making big plays. The institutional investment, the worldwide investment, the adoption of Bitcoin in the household, in the institution, in the retail sense, it is everywhere now. Let's look. Where's Bitcoin at? Well, these are the countries adopting crypto the fastest. Wait, there's more than one country? There's more than the countries that I thought before? Jeez. Bitcoin's taken off. Canada has a Bitcoin ETF, remember? Yeah, so it's not just America. It's not just, Argentina or El Salvador. It is Canada, the US, all over Europe, Asia. China's cracking down, which, sorry, Chinese guys. Much love to you guys, but I'm sorry, your government won't let you do it. So, but other than that, look at the world. See, this is the only area of the map, like this big area. Well, some of that's Russia over here. So I don't know. There's probably a lot of laws in Russia as well still. If you see these areas of the earth that are not allowed, that's because Bitcoin mining isn't allowed there. Now this, what is that? That's Greenland, right? And then Iceland. Or do I have that backwards? So, yeah. This is North America. There's Alaska. We have Mexico, obviously, on the Bitcoin train. Look at this. This is Canada up here. Bitcoin ETF. I think this might be Iceland or Greenland. I always get those two mixed up. Map of Iceland and Greenland. Check out these pictures. Okay, it is Greenland. The big one's Greenland and the small one's Iceland, right? Yeah. It's kind of hard to see. But yeah, if you wanted to know Greenland here, I got to go back to this page so I see if I'm actually showing you. Yeah, but the pink one up there, that's Greenland right there. Yeah, and then Iceland's right down there. So, yeah, everywhere. Friggin' Iceland. Look at that. We got to get it over to Greenland, but there's a lot of ice over in Greenland. So, that's why it always confused me. Iceland is green and Greenland has ice. But Iceland is named Iceland and Greenland is named Greenland. What the heck? It didn't make sense to me. Why? Bitcoin in Australia. Look at that. Now, New Zealand. Is that New Zealand? Or I thought New Zealand was at the bottom of Australia. It is. New Zealand, where you at? What is that? That's the Philippines, right? Right here. Yeah, the Philippines. Look, they're adopting Bitcoin. Is that Indonesia too? Oh yeah, Indonesia, where you at? I'm serious. Look at this. Okay, that is Russia. The big part of Russia up there, man. Russia, even China has a little bit of Bitcoin in it. And so, I mean, Russia does have a little bit right there, but Japan, oh yeah, look at Japan, Bitcoin adoption. Uh, all of Europe, look at that. Europe, that's just a cluster of Bitcoin over here, you know? And then Africa, what is it? This got to be Nigeria, right? Nigeria? Hold on. Oh, they make the letters super small. There's Ethiopia. What's up, Ethiopia? Oh, Nigeria's down here. Okay, I don't know what that is. Egypt? Liberia? Huh. Looks like Egypt, actually. Or Saudi Arabia, maybe. Well, the smart countries, if Saudi Arabia was smart like they were with the oil, they would definitely adopt Bitcoin. This is a technology shift, and that's a good thing. We can finally maybe get some of these companies to stop, you know, thinking about a lot of the stuff that's hurting the environment just to make money. Turn to Bitcoin instead, right? It's going to create new ways for people to make money that are less harmful to the world. So let's get them quit worrying about oil. Let's go electric. Let's freaking, you know, even turn Bitcoin to proof of stake if we have to, or find ways to make it cleaner if we can't change it to proof of stake, because that would probably irritate the Bitcoin community, actually, if I said that. So we don't need to go to proof of stake, but we need to figure out, you know, clean energy like we're doing and stuff like that. So make it as clean as possible. Use dam energy, use windmill energy, use anything but coal, but use like excess energy, the wasted stuff, right? You find ways to take all the wasted energy and put it to use. You know, it's like a recycling for energy, and figure that kind of thing out, or figure out ways, you know, there's still got to be technology working on cleaner energy, you know, all the time. So there's that, you know, and Bitcoin's going all over the world. Okay, let's look. India, my peeps in India. Ooh, 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 India. Vietnam. Vietnam. Actually, I had a homie from Vietnam before. India, all my homies from India, and Pakistan. Dude, I knew this girl in San Diego, and she was from Pakistan. The only person I ever met from Pakistan, and she was hot. But she was cool too. She was like pretty awesome. I met her on her birthday at, I think it was Ocean Beach in San Diego. We were down there working. I was working for this company, and so I think I either was working down that area, or oh, I was, because I was selling magazines door to door. And sometimes you don't have to go door to door. You just talk to people like at the beach and stuff. And on her birthday, she bought a magazine from me, and we ended up hanging out and just kicking it for a while. And I was like, well, I gotta go because I gotta sell some more magazines. She's like, no, no, I'll just get more magazines from you. You stay. And so we just ended up hanging out all day, and I ended up having like all my sales. She just bought like 10 magazines from me or something, and so I didn't have to do anything that day. It was pretty cool. But yeah, she was the only person I ever met from Pakistan. She was freaking awesome. So, have become the fastest crypto adopters over the past year, according to Chainalysis. Meanwhile, the US and China have slid down the rankings. Oh, US? Ooh, dang. And China has slid down the rankings from the firm's Global Crypto Adoption Index. Now, you could look at this as a bad thing for the United States. Well, yeah, China, it's obvious because they kicked out all the miners. But now, instead of thinking that, okay, well, US slid down the list, well, that's not necessarily true in the way that you think, because they slid down the list because of, look at this, all of the other adoption. It isn't that we have less crypto adoption here. Yeah, we're going to have regulations and stuff, but look, Miami, oh yeah, look at Seattle, baby. You see that we're on the list here, up here, Amazon. Oh, is this a hint? Is this a clue to the future right here? Amazon, Bitcoin, Seattle, Tesla. Come on, guys, I've been saying it for months. There's something to that. right? Look where they put the strategic Bitcoin stuff. Yeah, Canada, ETF. That's the Pacific Northwest, guys. That's Seattle right here. Now, we're talking Canada, Alaska here. I don't think that's Alaska. Well, no, that's Canada. Alaska's way up here. But yeah. Now, that might even be California. This map, it's hard to read this map. So this could be the Pacific Northwest, or this one could. I think it's this one, though. And then we got Wyoming. I think that's Wyoming because they're a big crypto state, which is weird. And then you have Michigan or Canada. I'm not sure. There could be the border right here. This map is, you'd have to zoom in to really know. But yeah, I'm saying that this is Seattle, Wyoming, Michigan, and maybe parts of Canada. But yeah, if you think of it, those things all go together. And the U.S. is not like declining on the scale. The world is growing on the scale. That's what's happening. Now, China, yeah, you could make the argument that China has less Bitcoin adoption because of everything that's happened, right? There's so much of the country that, can't even touch the stuff. The government won't allow it. So it's illegal for the most part to mine it. I don't think they made it illegal to hold it. But they basically kicked all the miners out, or 90% of them. And you know why? That was just so they could have more control. It's about power, and controlling the people. So I apologize to you guys in China that they did that to you. Not fair. Everybody should be able to get crypto, right? Gosh. It makes me mad a little bit, but mad for you guys in China, man. You should be able to do what you want with crypto. It's not a bad thing. It really isn't. But look at this. The rate of cryptocurrency adoption grew by 880% across the world over the past year, with Vietnam, India, and Pakistan, and other emerging economies leading the charge. I didn't know about Vietnam or Pakistan. I knew India was all about it. Batty. According to blockchain analytics from Chainalysis. Geography of crypto. Dude, that is my jam right there. In eighth grade, I won a geography bee. Or I didn't win it, I'm sorry. I placed in it. I made it to the finals. There we go. But I lost pretty quickly in the finals. Because I didn't do a lot. I didn't study I didn't study for it. That when I went to that geography bee, it was just I happened to answer a lot of the questions right that our teacher gave us in class, and so after I got them right, then they sent us all to the geography bee thing, and I didn't. It was right then, right afterwards, so I didn't have any time to prepare or study. So it was just I went off of what I knew, and I actually got eliminated pretty quickly because of that, but it's okay. If I studied, I probably would have placed higher in the contest. But I love this kind of stuff, crypto, and then seeing how the world is adopting it. And remember months ago, I was just saying this. I was like, this is before countries started adopting Bitcoin. Before that, I was telling people about it. So if you look at my videos, I've been pretty accurate with a lot of the things that I've said. Most of them, yeah, we're leaning that way or going that way, or it seems that, oh, it's pretty easy to guess that, but if you at the time, it wasn't. Looking back, yeah, it's easy to see now, because it already happened, right? But I was telling you before it did. That's the difference. And well, a lot with the Bitcoin price, I called $60,000 Bitcoin. I even called when it went back to retrace to 42,000. I called it $2 Cardano. I called when Clover was gonna spike. I called when not Fetch.ai. What was the other one? Alchemy Pay. I called when that one spiked up to it went from 2 to 7 cents, and I called it. And then it went from 7 all the way up to like 24 cents after I called it. So I've done really well with this and been really accurate. So there's a reason that my channel does good. I think it is gonna do a lot better, and it's only because of you guys. So if you like the kind of content that I'm showing you, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and guys, if you hit the notification bell when I do these live streams, you will have first access to everything that's happening. Sometimes I say a lot of stuff in the first part of the live stream. So you guys really need to check that out and make sure you have that bell hit. Look, there's a bell right here to let you know. But that's for decrypt. You got to hit the one over here on YouTube for me. You know? Hey, what's up, man? Market is crazy. My nose is still plugged up. That's what makes it kind of harder to talk. But what are your thoughts? What will be the coin prices at the end of September? Well, so I heard BitBoy Crypto say that he thought September was going to be altcoin season, that or September or October. He said that Bitcoin would spike in September and altcoins would spike in October. Well, I don't think that's going to happen. I think September we're going to start our ascent. I think by October or November we'll start to see Bitcoin really blast off. And then I think by December, we're going to have an all-time high, followed by either a blow-off top all the way down and a bear market ensues. Or it'll gradually go down a little bit and then blast off down. It's going to try to trick people and catch them off guard, and that's what I see happening. Okay, everybody is going to be saying, the market isn't done yet. The market isn't done yet. When we have our next big dip, we're going to go into a bear market. You don't have two of these in a row. Unless 30,000 is the new low for Bitcoin. That is the only way that we could say, yes, we did go through an official bear market when the prices went as low as possible. No. Did we have altcoins go 90% down? Did we have Bitcoin go like 80% down? Or, we did have it go 50%, which was a big drop for Bitcoin. But what about the altcoins? What about the altcoins, Ethereum? What about all of those? Did they lose 90%? No. Well, then, what's going on? Well, I'm going to tell you. The bull market wasn't over. This was a giant sleeper. Basically, like Elon Musk deflated some of the air. Instead of a bubble popping, what he did is he basically put a pinprick in there and then put some tape over it after some of the air got let out. So we were able to reset. Yeah, he did poke a pretty big hole, but look, we're above almost every single moving average except the 200-day now, right? So we're gonna go to high levels by September. We're gonna start our ascent. We're already starting it. So I see a few of these in our future here. Okay? This is what a healthy bull market looks like. Big gains, and then a sharp correction. Bigger gains, and sharp corrections. Big gains, correction, big gains. All-time highs, right? And then blow-off tops. This wasn't really a blow-off top. This was, it was, a sell-off at the top, of course. But this was big money that did that. Big money took profits here. That was just people taking profit at 65. And it actually stayed up here at these prices for a while. You know that, right? We hovered at high prices for a long time. So you think that we're just going to go all the way back down to $10,000 after hanging out and people saw how nice it was up here? Right? So It's okay. We're okay. This market's okay right now. We have nothing to worry about. Things are looking good. The RSI has cooled off. You know, we do have some key resistance points that we should go in and look at, like on the 4 hour. And, I am going to learn more about technical analysis and stuff, but, you know, we have this rising wedge that we're still playing out, and it keeps going back and forth. So, hopefully we don't break down here. You know, we have a nice little, path going up. I would like to see us break to the upside of this. So we need to get up, over to 48, So it's going to be really hard to break the ascending wedge on the top now. Because look where the top is now at this point. We're going to eat. Okay, the farther along we go, the higher the resistance point that we're going to have to break is. You see as it goes gradually up here for the ascending wedge or the rising wedge, you see that price goes higher as we go along. So the longer it takes to break, the more likely we are to break to the downside. That's why ascending wedges or rising wedges break to the downside more often. Because each time it fails to break to the upside, it has to go higher to break it. It just shows you right here, look at that. Each time it has to go higher to break it. And it doesn't break it, then it becomes resistance, right? So now we went sideways and we have to break higher. So there's a good nugget for you. We're going lower though. Look at that, 44.1. So if we break much lower, guys, we are set to test the 100-day moving average next, which we don't want to do that. We do not want to have to test the 100-day moving average again. And we could possibly go down to 40,000. And I don't want to see that. I don't think we need to do that. We have cooled off a lot. You know, we need to see some buying. That's the problem. No one's buying Bitcoin, even at these low $44,000 prices. Actually, I think myself, man, I almost want to buy right now, but what if it does break down to 40? I think I might buy a little bit right now because even if it doesn't break out right now, we're still going to 50,000 this bull market. So I might dollar cost average a little bit in right now. But if we blast to 50,000 right now and I didn't buy more, oh well. But we could break. That's the only problem with purchasing at these low levels, like at 29,000, when everybody doesn't know if it's going to go, to 20,000, but then it pays off. We're at 44,000 now. So that's why I do purchases like this. But sometimes you have to do big ones and take a big risk. Not financial advice or common sense. That is something you just have to think about and research. And if you want to take the risk, that's on you. Right? And that's everything with a meme coin or a coin like Pup Doge. I would never tell you to go and buy that. Never once would I tell you to do that. I said I was buying it, and if I did it and I made money, then maybe you should buy it. But I did it and I didn't make money. So why would you buy it? I didn't tell you to do that. So don't do it. And then blame me for, you losing money. That's the risk of buying an ICO coin. You could either become a millionaire or you could lose all your money. And more often than not, you're going to lose your money. Or you're going to gain a nice little profit. But who knows? It was a good project. I mean, my video got 1,000 views because people were searching it. It was so searched that it sent them right to my videos. And then I think the developers honestly left. Or I don't know what happened with it. Honestly, let's go look at it. At the price. I am so far. I'm 10x in the loss right now. Yeah, it's just keep on going down and down and down. Look at the... I'll show you where I bought. Look at that. It just keeps going down, guys. I think I might have made a very bad decision on this purchase. 30 days. Here we go. So I didn't buy here. This was the pre-sale before here. And they actually charge you a lot on the pre-sale, which is really nasty. And then it went all the way up. Look, it did pump. And then something happened here. I think when it dumped, I think the developers abandoned it immediately. Why? It could have went back up. You guys don't even understand that it could have blasted off way higher. They gave up on it or something. I don't know, but I'm going down with the ship just in case that blast off moment does happen. I'm gonna why would I sell now for $6 when I already lost 54? Now I'm going down with the ship. I'd rather lose $6 more at the chance of something turning around, but at this point, it's not looking good. Not at all. This is just the start of the project, and it's done nothing but go down. If that's the way my YouTube channel went, I don't know that I could continue. That would hurt. I would, though, because of my base audience, my fans, everything that I promised everybody, my investors that invested up here. I would work even harder down here for them to try to get it at least back up to here, maybe even higher. Let's everybody make money. You know how much more money they would make on the developers if this project did well? Why wouldn't they do it? So, excuse me, guys. That's the only bad part about live streams, right? I can't edit that stuff out to the live stream. Hopefully this cold will go away. I didn't tell anybody on Express Crypto we're here. I'm not doing weekly giveaways anymore. It's just starting to become too expensive for me, guys. I'm not making any money on my YouTube channel yet at all. And all I've done is, give away money. And I don't mind that because you guys are awesome. You're my loyal subscribers. But without a sponsor and until we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away the money for the contest, of course. Duh. But the giveaways on live stream and the such, I can't afford to do it anymore. And if I lose some of you guys because of that, I'm really sorry. Actually, no, I'm not. If I lose you because I can't afford to give you money, then you aren't the kind of subscribers that I want on my channel, which is none of you that I know of, because all of the people on my channel, they are the ones who would, even if I didn't give money, still be subscribed. And most of them I've tried to give money to, and they're like, no, I would support you either way. Those are the real peeps. Those are the ones that I want on the team, right? Look at this. This was the high. We're down 93%. So I have lost 93% of my money. Well, I didn't buy it at that. So probably about 87% of my money I've lost. So that's the all-time low, which was 7 hours ago. Again, it's sad. I thought this project had a future. I wish I would have bought down here. Then I wouldn't have been hurting as much. You know what I mean? I almost want to buy some here, just like $10 worth. You can't just buy $10 worth. That's the thing, though. You have to buy $30 or so worth. Unless you already have Binance coin. If you have $10 worth of Binance Smart Chain, you could probably. But yeah, look at that. The volume only comes in when it sells. I don't get what's happening here. It doesn't make sense to me. But okay, whatever. We're not looking at that. Let's go into XRP. Wait, XRP's right here. What was I doing? Let's make it a full screen XRP. Okay? This is XRP. Now, we had a nice cool-off period, right? And then we actually pumped up again. We really did. Look at that. Nice little pump there. And then a crashy dashy dash to 111 at the low. And now we're sitting at a nice 112. Here's our support right here. See, this is the level on every single coin. We had a nice support here. Imagine when we get back up above these support levels, guys, how much momentum we will have at that point. And what is this one? This high up here, we're talking $1.40, yo. So once we get up to that point, like the $1.40 level, the big levels, then we're going to be in a world of awesomeness. Hopefully my Express Crypto peeps want to come hang out. I will still give money on Express Crypto, though. That's the thing. I'll probably just reward people just because over there. If you're, I see you're active on my channel, I reward you. If you're not active on my channel, I will reward you less. Let's say that. I still will reward you, but because you're active on the channel. But if you quit watching, then I probably will unintentionally forget about you. Probably not, though, because I remember a lot of the beginning people like Jonathan, Jay Gower was a little bit later, but Marcos, I haven't seen him in a while, but he was one of the original homies. Then we have Anand, who has been here from the beginning. Insomniac, just a lot of the guys from those places, So I'm down to 286 Bitcoin Satoshis on Express Crypto. I do have 2 at EXS. But yeah, so XRP is looking healthy. We just need to reset to certain levels and have a cool off. And then when Bitcoin blasts off again, it'll bring all coins up with us. Look how close we are on the daily to a nice. Look. What's the difference between a golden and a death cross?
According to Investopedia, a golden cross indicates a long-term bull market going forward, while a death cross signals a long-term bear market.
Above the long term. And okay, above. So it went below. Hold on, let's see. Now I can figure this out myself. That's the 50 and that's the 200. So the shorter one went under the longer one. Now the shorter one is getting ready to go above the longer one again, which is a bullish sign, right? A long-term indicator carry more weight. The golden cross indicates a bull market on the horizon as reinforced by high trading volumes. So if we have a golden cross coming here, look how we reset on the RSI on XRP too. We were way above it, look, for a while. We were all the way up to 83 at one point. And then I said that was it, we're done. And then we were, right? Remember when I told you that on XRP, guys? So, pretty accurate. Not financial advice, for entertainment purposes only, common sense, right? But yeah, we might. I think this might be a golden cross. Now I might be wrong about that because I'm kind of newer to this kind of stuff. So, but that's what it seems like it says to me. A relatively short-term moving average crosses above a long-term moving average. Yes, that is exactly what this is. XRP has a golden cross coming, guys. You can see it right here. We're going to cross above that. And when that happens, ooh, wait. And that's on the daily, too. So, frick yeah, dude. That's pretty cool. I like it. I like it a lot. And I hope you guys are here to see this. No, nobody's here to see it. Oh, we got to go on to Express Crypto. Guys, I have a really important pattern. Share this with your friends right now, guys. This is important. Hey, Cherry, what's up? That's my girl right there. I'm glad you could make it. I think I'm going to ask her to join the inner council. Cherry, I hope you would accept the offer to join the inner council. I asked one other lady to join, and her name is Gracie. You might have seen her around. But I want at least a couple ladies on the inner council. So it would be an honor if you would join. Basically, there's not a whole lot of responsibility yet. But going into the future, we will, get together for ideas, collaborations, whatever, where ideas, brainstorming, ideas for my videos. Maybe you see what you guys have going on, maybe that I can help you with. It's going to be a whole lot of back and forth. My channel is not all about me. It's about the community, and all of you guys as well. So that's what we be doing. Now, if one of you guys could let people in Express Crypto know we're live streaming, and then I can show them this golden cross, baby. I see an important pattern in the chart right now that I'd like to share with you guys. In the XRP chart, that I would like to share with you all. Oh, and then maybe I can share the video, right? If you guys could share the video, that would really help, or smash the like button. That way we can get it in front of other people's eyes. I haven't been actually watching on my other phone on this one, on my TV like I normally do. Fruit fly, don't bother me. Okay. We are trying to do it, man. Do it, man. What? Tell the Edge, the homie. Yeah, come over and check it out. Live stream right now tells all. Hold up. I gotta get the actual thing. The link. Okay, here we go. Now I'm getting the link for them. I'll send it over there. Okay. Ad. I don't think I have enough for it over there now, actually. Oh, what the? Why didn't the ad work? Oh, it did. Okay, cool. The ad did work. Let's see how much it took from me. It's only 200 per ad over there now. That's cool. It used to be 250 or 500, I think. Wow, that's pretty cool. Come on over, guys. Yeah. Come on over. I like XRP. So do I. I love XRP. I love XRP. Hey, if you guys love XRP, you hold XRP, smash the like button. I do. I wish I could smash the like button. That's unfair that I don't get to smash the like button like you guys do. I'm upset about that. I like this video. No, this is pretty funny though. Oh man, I love my peeps. Hey, tell the Edge. These are my guys. What? Yeah, they're part of the inner council. So Askio, Tellianch, Vanish Joy, hopefully Gracie, I asked her. Hopefully Cherry, I asked her. We got some girls in the group. I asked Carl from the Moon if he wanted to join. He actually hearted that question, and then he took it away. And I think I figured out why. I've looked at other scam things that happened to me once. This happened after, and I didn't notice it. After I sent it to Carl, you only see the first part of the post when it comes up on the top of your screen, and then if you like it from there without reading the rest, then that happens. And I guess that's probably what he did. He liked it in that part and then looked at the whole thing. I didn't do it to trick him, dude. I'm not like that. Like, it seems that way though, right? Like, I didn't even notice something like that till after. But anyway, there's awesome stuff happening in the XRP charts. And I want to show you guys. I just want to make sure you're all over here. If you're all over here, I'm going to share it. You can actually watch my video and be in the Express Crypto chat at once. Let's see who's over here so I can tell you. See, we only have 2 people. Where are you guys? Oh, there's 3. Cherry. Where are you guys? I'm all alone over here with my 3 buddies. We're all alone over here, guys. Where is everybody? I want to tell you about it. Let's say when there gets to be 10 people on here, then we'll tell you about what's going on the chart right now. It's an awesome thing. Bandwidth. Watching Haba. See, we lost someone now. Dang it. Now we lost one of the homies. Thank you. Here. There's only 2 people on. Oh, wait, is that 3? I can't tell. Is it this one or is it this one right here, guys? It doesn't tell me. It just says concurrent. Okay, well, there's 3, right? What does this say? Connected to the stream at the most recently. Okay, so it is this one right here. Okay, there's 3 people. When we get that to 10, I will tell you the special thing that's going to the XRP chart in possibly the next day or so, and this could skyrocket the price possibly to $1.30 or higher. And it looks awesome for XRP, and I really think that it's a positive thing for the whole market in general. So there's the homie. Tellianch is probably one of the best homies ever. Is the best homie besides these 3 homies right here. Or 4 homies, whichever. I think it's this one, though. Yeah. Tellianch is the best homie. And then Pirate Wolves is the best homie. Okay, I'm just going to give away some Bitcoin, huh? Okay. Well, that's okay. They know I'm live streaming, so it's up to them if they want to come over here. If not, that's fine. We definitely will find people who do. All we got to do is get our stuff out to the public. And then the more people that see, the better. We can get 1,000 viewed videos. We'll go back to the XRP here in a minute. Let's go look at Ethereum right now and see what Ethereum's doing and if it has any interesting stuff like the XRP does. Ethereum. Ethereum. Okay. So, let's just get rid of some of this stuff. Or widen it. There we go. Yeah, so that actually makes for, resistance line right there, too. So we have an ascending wedge or rising wedge on Ethereum to a giant one on the 4-hour chart. So, but what do we have going on in the short near term? So with Ethereum and everything, I think everything is going to go up. We're in a bull market, and I really think that, dang, that looks like a bull flag a little bit to me. I see bull flags everywhere. I see bull flags everywhere. I see bull flags everywhere. See, this looked like a bull flag to me from the beginning, and it still kind of does. Right? We have this bottom and this top in this channel, and it looks like a bull flag. But it hasn't played out, so I don't think it is. It's just confusing me. Why are you confusing me with a bull flag? It hurts my feelings when you confuse me with a bull flag. It doesn't feel very nice. Okay, but it isn't a bull flag, because look. I don't even know. We have to go up, and here's the top of that one. And then we just have to go up. And then we just have this ascending, broadening wedge. Right here. Right here. Right here. Ascending and broadening wedge. What did you call it a broad? No, I said ascending broadening wedge. But it also could be an ascending of the triangles if you go to the giants. And it might break out down to the down of the sides. That's a horrible Swedish accent, I'm sorry. I'm just making stuff up here. That's not real. There's no ascending triangle there, but that would be cool if there was. It could be, a descending triangle. Because look. I said, because look. Gosh, dog blum it. There we go. Descending triangle. You're toast. Good night. It's descending. We're going down. Bull market's over. Bye-bye. I call you in 40 years. We had our top of the morning to ya. And all of that stuff. Because we're toast. But nope. Even though that doesn't look good either, though. So, but we definitely are working on a descending triangle on the Ethereum chart. So be careful of that, right? This almost looks like a 3 peaks in a domed house. start. A mini version, right? Seriously, this kind of looks like a mini version of this over here, right? We're in the mini version. What the heck? Okay. But that isn't good. That means, well, it is actually, because we already went down. Now we're going to go sideways for a little while. Then we pump, right, to about up here. So it's basically following it verbatim, you know, like the RSI is real. That's a 4 hour though. Let's look at the daily. What's the RSI at? Okay, we're at 55. It's time to go, guys. It's time to go. Let's get it. Let's make some money. It's time to, you know, for the bull market to continue, especially with Ethereum. Look at this. Way up, way down, boss top, boss top, boss top. Yeah. So ascending, 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 away, away. Right? Let's see. What's up, everybody? Glad to have you here. I wish there was more chat. Guys, we're supposed to be talking. That's why I told everybody in Express Crypto that you can actually watch my video. Watch. I'm going to show you what I mean. You can watch my video and chat either in Express Crypto and in here at the same time. So, like, if you're waiting on someone in Express Crypto for, like, you know, an exchange, if you're doing, like, a little exchange with them or something, and you're bored and they're taking too long, you can just watch my video at the same time while you're waiting. Right? That way, hey, you were going to watch the video anyway, but you had to wait on this, but now you can do them both at the same time, and let me show you how. Okay, so basically go into on your phone, your YouTube. Go into YouTube, like you were going to go watch my video, right? Okay, let's go to, say, this video right here that we're watching. Oh, I guess I can like it. And then what you're going to want to do this is just press, here, let me, I need to make sure that I can see what I'm doing. Just press this button right here. And then what does it do? That one right there. And then press it again. And then it makes a small little screen right there. You see? You press the back button twice. And then it makes the little thing down there. And then you can just press this button right here. And then it'll take you out to your thing. And then you can just press on that. And then you go into the app. Boom. And now you have my video down here as well as the Express Crypto app now. So you can be in the Express Crypto app and watching my video at the exact same time. That way, you're not wasting time. I can have more people watch my videos and be in the Express Crypto chat at the exact same time. No wasting time anymore, guys. You can do everything now. And I can be in here with you guys too. Watch my videos. Watch your videos if you have some. You never know. I have fun with this sometimes, you know, guys. This is a way to help me express myself. I'm definitely an introvert. Chat rooms kind of freak me out sometimes, and I don't always know how to deal with a lot of different people in the chats, but I do my best, and that's why I do YouTube videos. One, to help people make money. I wanted to tell them about, you know, all the things I was doing and being successful, but then I also wanted to be able to express myself and find like-minded people. Which I have been successful at. Almost every video that I've ever done on here has done better than expected. Some of them have done worse than expected, but most of the ones that did really well, I was like, I didn't think that video was going to do that good. And then I look back at it and I'm like, oh, that's why it did good. Okay. And it's because of you guys watching the videos, for one. And, you know, all of your comments, all of your likes, all of, you know, your support. and telling people about it. And come on, guys, I really want to show you the cool thing that I have for XRP. All we have to do is get 10 people on. 10. That is not hard. There's more than 10 people in Express Crypto right now. So, I'm going to give away 20 Satoshis on Express Crypto then. Or, I mean, is that what, that just sucks that that's what I have to do to get people over here, is give away. But I understand they're there to make money just like everybody else. But, I mean, they can watch my thing without, I guess bandwidth is a thing for some people. I have unlimited. I have to keep it, on lock, but I guess that's why I like to give people a little bit of Satoshis, because I know some people it does cost them money to run their internet to watch my videos. So 5 more people, yes, we have 5 people on. I know we can get 10. I know we've had 20 at maximum, but if we get 10, I'm going to show you on the XRP chart why I think that we could possibly see maybe $1.30 XRP in the coming week or so. So that is pretty cool. 4, that's okay. We'll come back even stronger. We'll have 10. Watch. Ooh. I think my ad got buried. They're playing a game in there though, so I don't mind. That's what it is. That's why they're doing something in there. I didn't know that was a bad time to come on. I wasn't trying to step on nobody's stuff. Hey, what's up, yo? I'm glad to have you here. We talk all things crypto. I have a really interesting thing in the chart that I'm going to show you guys about XRP. I'm just waiting for other people to join the chat. So let's just go into this. And if you guys can see what it is yourself, then congratulations. But I have some exciting news for XRP and its holders. So I really hope that I'm able to share it with you guys. So. Javier BS, that's kind of cool. He's being really nice and giving away a lot of stuff in there. Props to that guy, dude. It's hard to do all the time. That's the thing. Like, I love giving stuff away, but I get to a point where I don't have a lot to give away anymore. I try to still give away, but, for right now, I'm probably not going to be able to give away a lot until I get sponsors. I am going to continue to do the contests, though, but it's just the weekly giveaways. The marketing budget that I have right now is done for. So that's the thing. If you guys want to help the channel, you can do that by either I am verified by Brave. You can help the channel with BAT tokens, or I have my Bitcoin address in the description of every one. And all that does is go to the channel. I don't use that, to pamper my cat from, pamper my mutt from head to butt. I don't know. I probably shouldn't say that. It might be a jingle or copyrighted, right? But yeah, so I don't use it, for Thai massages or anything. I use it for the channel. I use it to make the channel better, to buy lamps, so that we can have a nice bright live stream for you all. You wanted that, good idea, and I gave it to you. So, Jonathan, how can I give you bandwidth? Does this cover your bandwidth, bro? I only have like 86 Satoshis left, so I'll give them to him. Gift. If I had more, I'd give him more, dude, I would. But I understand, like, money's tight. 86, I believe. Oh, I don't have to put the zeros on there, but that's okay. Yep, he got my last 86 Satoshis. So, man, do we have 10 people over there yet? I can't see now. Because when I'm over here on the chart, I can't see if, only 3. 31 playbacks. We got 31 playbacks, so we can get 10 people. We just, hey, Northside Jeff in the house. We just got to get them all on here at one time. So, what's up, man? I'm glad you could come, bro. Thank you for donating the lamp to the channel, guys. Look, this is proof that when somebody donates to the channel, it goes to the channel. It doesn't go anywhere else. We bought a brand new lamp, thanks to Northside Jeff. So thank you for that, bro. You're definitely inner council worthy. If you're not part of the inner council, I invite you now to join the inner council. I'll show you how later. So I invited Cherry and I invited Northside Jeff to the inner council. And Mr. Mr. Shema, YouTube. Maybe later we'll see what's up with you. So let's go in and look at Bitcoin. Yeah, we have another ascending rising wedge, and it's really, really important how we end the week. Really important. So, nothing else matters really. Just kidding. There's a lot of other stuff that matters in the charts. But if we really close above this, it's going to be helpful. That's not going to be all it takes to keep pumping upwards, because there's a lot of resistance. And like I said, the longer it takes to break through something, the harder it is, and the higher it needs to go to break through that level to be considered a breakout, and to continue moving forward. So those are the things that we're going to have to see on the channel and with Bitcoin in order to keep moving forward. Let's move to the bigger view so we can see everything. Let's go to the hour chart and to see if we have any imminent danger, or dang it, we almost had an inverse head and shoulders pattern play out, and unfortunately we went lower here. So now we still have an inverse head and shoulders, but it's a different one now, and it could still play out. So this is the head now, this is the shoulder, and if we go higher here, you know what I mean? Or we could even say it's a smaller one and go right here and here, and then we could have a smaller shoulder here. So we could have a bigger inverse head and shoulders, which actually we still, well, we don't have there anymore, or there, because of this. But this one could be this too, depending. Or this whole thing could be one, like this. So it could be like this. This whole thing is one. The head. And then the shoulders here. Right? So we might have a couple inverse head and shoulders pattern. That doesn't look pretty, but those are a bunch of different. This big pattern, this would be the head, this would be the shoulders. The smaller pattern, it could either be this is the head, this is one of the shoulders, or this is just the head and this is the shoulder. So we'll see what happens here, but there's a lot of good bullish signals possible on the horizon for not only Bitcoin, but also for XRP. Let's see if the same thing is happening in Bitcoin as XRP. Oh, I wouldn't know because we don't have the second piece. So, yeah, let's see how we're doing on the live streams. Man, come on. We need 10 people on the live stream at once for me to tell you what's happening. Uh-huh. Manish. Oh, hey, he did subscribe. Thanks, dude. Mr. Shema. That guy's cool, bro. Maybe he'll be part of the inner council one day. I know we can get 10 people on here. I'll stay on here all night if I have to until we get 10 people on here. I'm not leaving until we get 10 people on here, guys. I'm not. I know we can do it. It's easy for this channel. Right now we have only 2 people on here. Hey, Jonathan came. What? And Northside Jeff. So if we can get everybody at one time to come, we can get 10 people on here. Easy. So, and I really want to, because I want to show you what's going on with XRP. Those of you who were here earlier, they already know what it is. And actually, if you can play back, you know what it is too. But there is exciting news for XRP, and I think I'm going to buy some because of it. Look, it just went from 110 to 112 right now. So, yeah, XRP, we're going hard. So, some more Dogecoin. You did. Ooh. That could have been a good move. I don't know yet. But you'll have to wait to see on that one, right? That's what I did. I sold, well, I traded some of my Bitcoin for AMP. And AMP seems to be doing good. Actually, where is it right now? I love it when you guys come over with the hard-hitting questions, because then it really gets me motivated and, like, you know, gets me to that intellectual place where I give you good information. Ooh, things are not looking too hot right now. AMP is going back down, but it's still higher than what I bought. So, well, technically it's a little bit lower than what I bought because of the spread, but yeah, unfortunately, crypto's having a little bit of a rough time right now. Ooh, we went all the way down to 570 on AMP. I think I'm going to purchase more as it goes down. 570. I think I'm going to wait till it goes, yeah, down. And I want Polygon to go down. I want Graph to go down. There's a bunch that I'm waiting, just waiting patiently, but not for them to go down, because I know I can make money off of it. I know the prices to buy. I know the sell points most of the time, and it's so fun. Am I the only one who thinks it's fun? I know it isn't as fun when you don't make a profit, but when you put $500 in and you cash out at least $800 to $1,000, tell me that wasn't fun. Tell me you didn't just like want to jump up and down. Even though you're an adult, you're probably not going to do that. But it makes you happy and really want to freaking, you know, celebrate. Like, it makes you want to go have a, you know, a beer, or, you know, go hang out with the homies and celebrate, you know, party it up in a clean, healthy way, because I am, what do you call it, straight edge. I don't do drugs. Children drugs are bad. Don't believe me, ask your dad. Yeah, we're just waiting for a dip, man. Once the dips happen, that's when we buy in or trade. Like, so I don't like trading so you guys might see me trade my Bitcoin for altcoins. I don't recommend to do that. I don't recommend doing that, because Bitcoin is going up a lot itself. And so what you're risking is Bitcoin going up further than the altcoin. The only way that you want to trade Bitcoin for an altcoin is if you think the altcoin is going to outperform Bitcoin. That's the only way that I would, you know, be okay with that happening. So I would definitely recommend to dollar cost average in with Bitcoin. Altcoins, sometimes it's all about a strategic time that you purchase. Now, I will be putting alert buy orders in. This with AMP, when I purchased it, was not an alert. As you see, the price is kind of low the way it is now. So that's why I didn't put an emergency buy order, because if you would have bought, I don't know what AMP was going to do right now. It isn't like it was pumping. It was a risk that I wanted to take, like with Pup Doge. I didn't tell anybody to buy Pup Doge. But if you did buy with me, you are definitely hurting right now. Pup Doge is down 10x. But we're going to keep an eye on it, because it might have a blast off still. We'll see, though. The prices. See, I wish I had a thing. Maybe I can go into more prices on here that I can show you guys. Where are, yeah, prices. Here we go. Can I just go to, okay, cool. This is a new thing I might try with you guys. Um, yeah, look, earn free crypto, fetch.ai. But I might just go in here and kind of show you what the gainers are, what everything is doing, the highest volume. Look, so Bitcoin at this level, right, has the highest volume, of course. Well, it's the biggest daddy. It probably always has the highest 24-hour volume, right? Is that true? I wonder if anyone's ever beat Bitcoin for the highest 24-hour volume. That's something. Oh, look, it went up a penny while we were watching. If I would have bought at 44 cents, I would have been 8 cents in the profit per coin. So that's something to think about. Bitcoin, of course, is Big Daddy, number one. Ethereum, not bad, not bad. Look at that, 20 billion. And this is while we're down, right? So 5.1 billion. So Cardano is a fourth of the price of Bitcoin, over $2 too. Binance Coin, ooh, it's going down. XRP, there's some good news going forward for XRP. If we get 10 concurrent viewers, we will find out what that is too. I'm going to start sharing this, guys, because I really think we need to get enough people on here. Yo, we need to get 10. I told you, I'm not leaving here until we get 10 people. I don't want to be here all night because my nose is all plugged up. I'm actually not really sick anymore. It's just my nose. It feels like it's leaving my lungs, and now it's just a stuffy nose. So I'm basically better. It's just hard to talk, which makes it hard to breathe when I'm talking. So, but we can get 10. Oh, YouTube isn't receiving enough information, so it might be cutting out on you guys a little bit. Ooh, Bitcoin's up 44 exactly. We do not want this sucker going. Damn. Paste. Worst meme coin. Whoops, wrong one. That was my last video. Live stream about worldwide Bitcoin adoption. That's what you guys missed earlier. Okay. You guys, if you haven't joined my other social medias, they are in the bottom of the video right there. You should be able to find those on the social media. And go check out Cryptos R Us. George, one of these days, maybe he'll watch one of my videos. I don't know. That's the hope. Ooh, I got to go back here and see what the issue is with this. Stream health. Error. Uh-oh. I don't want an error. Oh man, the price of Bitcoin is going down, 43,000. We're breaking down to bad levels, guys. This is not good. Why is the stream status so poor? I'm going to shut some of these windows down. And maybe that'll help. No? OBS, what are you doing, dude? Come on. It says green over here. So OBS is healthy. I don't know where the malfunction comes in, but I hope it's okay for you guys. I still am posting this to Facebook, so hopefully, paste? Yeah. In a group. You guys can share it too if you want, or if you don't want to share, just hit the like button. It does just as much. It shows YouTube that this live stream is awesome, and that you want people to come join. Just smash the like button. All you have to do is leave the live chat, smash the like button, and come right back in the live chat. Not too hard. It's harder than it should be, but it's not too hard. Yeah, they're having fun over on EC, so I don't want to ruin their time, you know. But I want them to come over here after they're done. That'd be cool. Do it on Pinterest. Wait, why is it showing that old thumbnail? It shouldn't show. Okay, there it is. I was going to say, it shouldn't show the old thumbnail. It should show the new one I did. Bitcoin worldwide adoption, baby. Yay, yay. What? Yay, yay. Say, Ave. Oh, God, guys. I can't wait for these questions. I saw a question by Northside Jeff. After I'm done sharing it, I can't wait to answer questions. What's up with Express Crypto, guys? Like, Telly Anch isn't talking to me much anymore, y'all. Oh, I think it's because his Bulls versus Bears didn't do that good. He's not petty like that, though. I think he's just doing something else right now. But he hasn't been on the channel as much lately. He used to be one of my biggest supporters, and he hasn't been around as much lately. I don't know. It's hard to keep everybody happy, guys. That's one thing that I've noticed on YouTube, being a YouTuber, and it's going to get harder and harder as my channel grows, trying to make everybody happy and, like, you know, get everybody, you know, heard. And that's why I'm the most interactive community. That's why I do that, guys. I want to give you a reason to come over here and, you know, express yourself any way you want to, just not negative. Any positive way you want to, you can come express yourself here. You know, you're having a bad day, you know, let off some steam in a positive way. Just like yell. I don't even know what that would look like on a chat. An R with a A and a U and a whatever. I don't know. But sometimes you just need to relieve stress. We're all here together. We're in this together. I hope the market isn't going to dip now. Right after I make a big $500 purchase into an altcoin. I guess I'm going to have to wait for the next bull rally, which is hopefully soon, because I don't see this happening and then it's just over. So Tumblr. All right. It keeps showing an error. We have 3 people here. I don't know why it keeps showing an error. How do I fix it? Open widget. Come on. Not receiving enough video to maintain. Well, how do I change that? How do I... It doesn't make sense to me. Error. Delete. Analytics. Stream health. Stream settings. How do I make it better for you guys? Oh, low latency? Hold up. Yeah, I have it as the lowest latency as possible. Do you guys know why it's all messed up and stuff? It looks like it's working okay, but on this live replay, it's... No, I don't do that. RTMS. Why is it so bad? It doesn't make sense. It doesn't give us a reason or a fix. Stream is healthy over here. Let's see how my connection's doing, the internet. Oh yeah, the internet's having problems, that's why. My internet is having problems, guys. So I'm gonna call it a night. After, look at that, it went up 3 cents since we talked about XRP. 3 cents, guys. I really want to get this up to 10 concurrent views. You know what I mean? That would be really cool. Where's... Okay, why... What is going on here, man? Why isn't this thing opening? There we go. That was really weird. I do want to show you guys this. Let's see. Yeah, people only come to watch my videos for the free money. That's what that says, except Northside. There's a few of you guys that come here not for the money, and that's why I'm just not going to give it away anymore. I don't want a fan base that only comes here when I give them money. That is not the community I wanted to build. That's unfortunately what you get when you give away free money, is you get the people who only will watch you when you give them something And that's a horrible idea for a community. That's not what I want, and that's not what I'm gonna build. So we're gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna give away money for the contests, but the weekly giveaways, the paying people to come over here, that's done. The Google ads, all of it, done. I'm done paying for this. I'm done. If I blow up, it's going to be because of hard work and because of awesome fans like you guys. Because of you. Not because if I throw money at it, not if I, use a chat and give away all my Bitcoin. It's like, no matter what I do that, I keep having to give more and more to keep them coming back. So it's a never end. It's like pouring your money down a never ending funnel that goes to a place you don't know, but it never gets full. And so I just keep funneling my money into this place, and yet the next video, none of the people that I just gave the money to showed up. It's like, but a lot of them do. So my normal guys from Express Crypto, yeah, but a lot of them don't, and they just subscribe to the channel, and then as soon as I give them 100 Bitcoin for subscribing, they unsubscribe. So I'm learning my lesson. It's, nobody's fault. It's just the way that it is. It's hard to grow a community. I noticed that, like a legit community. If you don't have a lot of other people moderating, I should probably get some moderators. The thing is, I need a community where people want to come and just talk and hang out. That's what I'm trying to get this to be. Like when I do live streams, I want the people over here to come and talk. Yeah, the video is not real clear right now. That kind of sucks. Stream settings. It won't let me change it either. Stream latency. Yeah, it won't let me do anything with it. So around Christmas and after, crypto goes nuts and then cools off. That's because of the halving effect, bro. Cool. The stream's in excellent condition now. Stream is way better. So, yeah, guys, the last 2 years around Christmas. Well, it's not really just the 2 years. It's every 4 years that normally happens. Last year, yeah, I did do a little bit better, but that was just because we were in a bull market. It depends if we're in a bull market or not. But this year, we're going to see around Christmas, and like in 2017, is because of the halving effect, which is supply and demand built right into the protocol of Bitcoin. You already know that. So basically, that's why it is. And a lot of people are giving them as gifts, and the more people that are interested in Bitcoin and Bitcoin adoption, they're going to give them as gifts to people around Christmas. So more people are spending money at that time of the year. That's why. When you have people wanting to gift people stuff and it being easy to gift Bitcoin to people now, because it used to be a lot harder. How are you going to give somebody like 5 years ago Bitcoin? You didn't have Coinbase. You didn't have Garda Wallet. You didn't have any intermediaries. You had to have like a paper key, right? Wasn't that how they did it back in the day? Paper keys, where you'd have to have like your private key number on a paper key, right? And so keeping track of Bitcoin or having them on like a floppy disk or something, right? Back in the infancy stages of Bitcoin, back in the dinosaur ages. So it was a lot harder, or you had it directly planted in your hardware, and then the hardware malfunctions over time because it was old garbage systems, and so now it's easier. So why every year on Christmas? Because it's easier now. You can gift it. You can, plus the supply and demand. Every year that you buy Bitcoin, at these certain times of the year, they blow up for a reason, because it's built into the protocol and because it's becoming widely known as a currency. Countries are adopting it. Bitcoin is becoming a normal thing for people. So normal things like, yeah, you can give people a gift card for a gift, right? It's better than giving money to somebody. It's more thoughtful. You put effort into it instead of just saying, here's $20, right? You know, that's good. Yeah, that helps people. It's a quick way, like if you just want to give somebody, but the thoughtful gift is a gift card, right? Because you went to the store to buy it. You didn't just give them cash, which all you had to do is open your wallet, which actually, guys, giving cash nowadays could be harder than buying a Bitcoin or buying a gift card, right? Because you actually have to go to the bank and withdraw it out of the ATM. Most people don't carry cash. So, but anyway, but buying a Bitcoin for somebody and giving it to them as a gift is more of a thoughtful gift nowadays, right? It isn't just giving somebody cash out of your pocket. Bitcoin is not like cash in that way. It's like a property. It's like giving somebody a stock for a gift, right? It's something that will appreciate over time, or like a collector's item. You give somebody like a baseball, a King Griffey Jr. rookie card, or so let's just say first say, or a basketball card, LeBron James or Michael Jordan rookie card. You give it to somebody, well, it's going to appreciate in value. It's worth something. You know, they probably like basketball. You knew that. Well, anybody into crypto, somebody comes, or, you know, into technology. They don't know about crypto, but they're into tech. You know that. Well, they probably already know about Bitcoin, but if they don't, you know, they don't know about it, and you gift somebody their first .0. Well, let's just say you gift them their first 100,000 Bitcoin Satoshis, right? Worth about probably 40 some bucks right now. If I do the math correctly. 40 some bucks, I think. Um, then that might change their life. You know, that might be the one thing that, you know, got them into Bitcoin over time. So it's a matter of the timing, and it's a matter of, you know, it being Christmas time for one. And I realized recently that Christmas time is in the summertime in Australia, guys. Did you know that? I thought everywhere during Christmas, that's why they said dreaming of a white Christmas. Duh. Because it's wintertime everywhere in Christmas. No. Do you know that Australia's Christmas in the summertime? Yeah, it's their summertime. Our winter. It's December there, though. It is December during Christmas there. But it's their summertime. Start accepting Dogecoin. Okay. That would be something to research for sure. Uh, earlier start. I think you might be talking about maybe like the Dallas Mavericks or something, because that's what I heard too. The Dallas Mavericks are going to start accepting Bitcoin for the payments for their stuff. I actually talked about that in my video. We could definitely look into that. But I think Dogecoin is obviously got a bright future going for it. So let's see if there's anything about it. Yeah, Robinhood pledges crypto wallets and more coins, but won't say when. Robinhood, I don't like Robinhood, man. They make you wait and they take your money. When Dogecoin spiked, they ripped everybody off. I don't like it. Makes me mad. Look at this, Jack Dorsey. He's now mining Bitcoin. That's cool. Oh, Ripple's gonna win. I hope. I really hope Ripple wins. Look at that. Kevin O'Leary, Mr. Wonderful himself. He is into crypto now. Vitalik Buterin, Chainlink, $1 billion bridge to a multi-chain world. Ooh, that is going to be very profitable. Are you serious? Oh man, you guys. Wow. Oh, you normally sell the news, but I don't know, has Chainlink pumped lately? This, you know, this is by the rumors, right? This is rumors of the news, right? This news hasn't happened yet. So I think I might buy into Chainlink, because if they have a multi-chain crypto bridge coming, oh my God, it's going to blow up. Because it's DeFi. Oh man. The Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Cryptocurrency Exchanges. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't see anything about that, bro. on Decrypt at least. Hey, this is the one that we were talking about earlier. Warren's Binance is operating without a license? Oh no. Okay, hold on. They're going to be headquartered in Liechtenstein, the Dogecoin Foundation. The newly revived Dogecoin Foundation, which now numbers Elon Musk's representative Jared Birchall and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin among its advisors, looks to be set headquartered in Liechtenstein. That's pretty funny. Ooh, they're clamping down on 11 crypto firms. Dang. They're just wasting these fools. They're like, nope, we're not going to allow that. These guys, man, what are they thinking behind those eyes right there, man? What the heck? Ooh, second largest mortgage lender in U.S. expects to accept Bitcoin by the year's end, guys. This is another, oh man, there's so much. Bitcoin, I am so glad I hold Bitcoin right now. I am happy. Very happy. Wow, Bitcoin mining revenue up $35 million per day since China crackdown. Pepe the Frog meme MFT is removed from OpenSea after copyright dispute. Ethereum NFT marketplace super rare launches token and it's giving away 150 million. What? Weird. Dogecoin Foundation returns with Elon Musk rep Ethereum Vitalik Buterin as advisors. Yeah, we know. Has more than 2 billion flowing through it. Okay. Wow. 2 billion. Not bad. Ethereum scaling solution optimism. Okay. Galaxy Digital files for a Bitcoin futures ETF. Okay. Oh. An investment vehicle tied to it. Well, yeah, there's not a whole lot of news. I couldn't find anything about that. I could have looked it up, I guess. But, yeah, I don't know. Guys, I think this was fun. We had a good night. A Target or something. Okay. Oh! Yeah, I saw something earlier too. Now I just forgot, man. I thought you almost reminded me. I'm like, I saw something. I'll probably have it for you tomorrow. Guys, I'm gonna show you this anyway. Especially you who are on here. Thank you for being here. Let's just look at this. This is amazing for XRP. We have a golden cross coming right here, and that's whenever the 50-day moving average moves above the higher moving average. So we might have just had the 50 and 100 one, but this is going to be the 50-day and the 200-day. So when this crosses above this, we're going to have a nice golden cross, and it's going to blast off the price of XRP. Just to let you know, that is freaking awesome, guys. I am going to purchase some XRP at a dip. That being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!